Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jeanette, and on my channel I primarily do a lot of plant-based cooking recipes, so welcome. And what I want to do in this video is show you how I'm making this very tiny space work. As you can see, this is my very small galley style kitchen. I've got a very small dining area as well. So I'll show you some of the things that I've done to make it work. And then after this, I'm going to be making one of my favorite soups. And as you can see, winter is still in full force here, so I'm still very much into soups. And it's going to be my smoked tofu, wild rice, and mushroom soup, which is delicious. Okay, from the kitchen, it goes right into the dining room. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this picture here where I was able to set up my microwave and have my cookbooks and then have a lot of my produce here. Over here I have a baker's rack set up with my Arrow Gardens. So this one I don't have anything in yet. The light is on this one, so it's kind of hard to see, but I have basically my herbs. And then I just have my KitchenAid mixer and my stock pot. And I also have a pantry located in my spare bedroom because I didn't have enough room here in the kitchen, so let me show you that as well. So tucked away in the closet here in my spare bedroom is my pantry. So I've got some extra, broths and potato flakes and things up there. I keep a lot of my canned goods, so you see my tomato products, beans, and other things here. More canned goods, tahini, ketchup, roasted red peppers, pasta sauce, jams and jellies, etc. And then in these boxes, I basically keep, there's my rice, and I keep my Vital Wheat gluten and cashews and things down there. This box is primarily like pastas and noodles, and I also keep extra rolled oats and flour and things in here. These are all of my soup mixes from Frontier Soups. I absolutely love them. I do believe they are all vegan soup mixes. And then in this box, I just keep my dried beans and lentils. One thing I forgot to show you guys is where I keep my spices. So I used to keep them in the cabinet and I could never see everything that I had. So now I just laid them all out in this drawer so I can see what I've got available. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into the soup recipe. It's still very bitter cold here. Honestly, we didn't have much of a winter. It was pretty mild, but the end of February, it got bitter cold and it's been snowing and I still just really want soups. And this is a soup that I ended up seeing on the TV show Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives a few years ago. And it was smoked turkey wild rice soup. And obviously I'm not going to use smoked turkey, so I ended up finding smoked tofu. So if you can find that, go ahead and use it. If you can't find it, that's okay. You can just leave it out. Maybe add a dash of smoked paprika to your bowl of soup. But I'm going to show you how I kind of veganized this, and the end product was really, really good. have it. This is a very warm and comforting bowl of soup with a little bit of a smoky flavor. Now, if you don't like the smokiness, you can always leave out the smoked paprika at the beginning and leave out the smoked tofu, because those are totally optional. And if you wanted, you could change up the plant milk. I use soy just because I like the fat content and the taste, but you can use a different kind of plant milk in this as well. And you don't need to thicken it up with the potato flakes. I just happen to have those on hand all the time. I use them to not only make mashed potatoes, but to thicken my gravies and stews and chowders. So you could also use a slurry of arrowroot powder or cornstarch to thicken this up, and adjust the seasonings to your preference. So let me know if you guys give this a try. I think it's a really pretty soup with the roasted red peppers and the greens and the carrots and all the different colors in here. So if you make this, let me know how it turns out and if you like this. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.